Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Shopsy and confirming the account tied to your purchase. This ensures the gift card applies to your active wallet. Once signed in, locate the gift card code, either on a printed card or in an email, and keep it visible. Make sure to verify the card balance using Shopsy's balance checker or the issuer's site, because knowing the exact amount prevents partial payment surprises and speeds checkout. You proceed to checkout with your selected items and confirm shipping details so totals are accurate. Next, choose the gift card payment method and carefully enter the code. Copying avoids mistakes, and then click Apply. This authorizes the value against your order. If the order exceeds the gift card amount, make sure to select a secondary payment method like card or wallet to cover the remainder, because Shopsy splits payments rather than failing the order when values differ. You should now review the updated total and the payment breakdown to confirm the gift card applied. Once satisfied, place the order to complete payment. If the code is rejected, double-check digits, expiration date, regional restrictions, and whether it was previously used. These common issues explain most failures. If problems persist, contact Shopsy support with your order ID and a screenshot of the error and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.